this is
Okay.
most fidget spinners stacked on top of each other while spinning. We've got
Mr. Lieutenant.
7 fidget spinners here. Let's go. We'll start with the gold one, obviously. And then here.
We'll end with this one.
We'll end with this one right here. The coolest one.
Thank you. It's
I'll
the
trade-
lightest.
Yeah, and it's the lightest. Okay. Going with the rainbow. Then the SNP.
Adam Talbot Smith.
After the silver.
Richard Talbot Smith.
You don't need to say the names, Richard. Now, a blue bubbly. Bubbly.
As he doesn't go.
Now,
Richard
for the final one.
Is he there?
Okay.
I don't know.
Starting.
This must be the front door. He's not.